Welcome back to another tutorial. Mike asked me to show him how to break down your tracks and track them out. So, of course, you know we got the scenes. I already made a beat real quick. A little track, just a little something to give y'all a demonstration. In this group, I got a Rhodes, just a Rhodes sample. I got my drums in this group. The main part of my drums is on tab 1. That's got everything. It's got kick, a rim, hi-hats, closed hi-hats, open hi-hats, and then I use the strike and the rim shot together for basically for the snare. So it sounds like this. So what you want to do, say like you make your beat, your whole beat, say you make it on tab 1. You can copy it over to tab 2 and then hit paste. So I already got it pasted out, but this is how you do it. So I copied it from 1, hit copy. Go over to an empty tab, hit paste. So in this one, I got the same beat copied, but I took out, I just erased them. I erased the closed hi-hats. See them? See the closed hi-hats there? And then on tab 2, they disappear. On tab 3, I copied it again, and I took out the snare, and I took out the hi-hats. All the hi-hats. Hi-hats, the rim, and I think it's the snap is on there. Let's see. I left the snap. So it sounds like this now. Just got that snap, the strike, and the kick. Let me take that little hi-hat out. This out. That's it. And on 4, it's got. On 4, it's got even less parts. Just the hi-hats. Oh, 4 is everything. 4's got everything. So watch while it's playing. It gives that track some bounce. Okay. So on my group C, I got a bass and a flute. Let's see. Just a bass and like a little chime. Then I got the bass and some strings on tab 3. Same thing. I made all the parts on group 1 on tab 1, and then I copied and pasted just like so to another group, to another tab, sorry. And then you can leave them, you can mute them here just so you can hear how it'll play by itself. But I don't want these two I don't want all 3 of these to play together, so. So up here, it's a 4-bar loop. So I'm gonna make this my intro, and you can type in the word scene, you know, and type in intro or whatever, and then so we'll go 16 for the verse, and we'll just type in V1. These will all be the verse 1. V1. And then we'll do hook. Whoops. Need another verse. 16. V1. And then we'll do hook and hook. Okay. So I'm gonna start the whole track off just with drums. So let's just do, I think it's 2. So let's see. Yeah. So since I'm already in the intro, whatever tab I click on is what that's going to change to. So if I change it to 1, it's going to change to 1 up there. Okay. We're gonna play the roads. We're gonna let, just for this tutorial, we're gonna put the roads in every group. So you click up here and then hit the tab. Click up here, hit the tab. Hit the tab. And we'll make it smaller so we can see all the groups, all the scenes, I mean. So they refer, if you watch a video and they say scenes, that's what they're referring to. All these up here are scenes. So the Rhodes is going to play through the whole song. Change the intro to 3. We'll get that right now. So we go from 3, and on the verse 1 it's going to start off with 2. Then we'll let it build up, and then we'll let all the drums come in on the second part. Go to the next part. We'll keep it all the drums. And we'll break it down. Then we'll come back in with the full drums, which is going to tab 1. Then we'll go into C with our instruments. Since I made these extra tabs, I'm going to get rid of these. And 5 is going to be my intro tab. So we'll go back to intro, we'll hit 5. And when it comes back around, let me unmute it. So it's going to start off with just that chime. And for this one, I'm going to make 3 verse. So tab 3 will be the verse, so you can just go to the verse and hit 3. And then tab 2 will be the parts that play in the hook. Okay, so we got it all laid out. We can drag this gray bar from the beginning to the end. Now it'll play from the beginning all the way through all the scenes. Remember, in scene 3 is where all the elements, the hi-hats and everything kick in. And if you just really wanted to, you could continue it on and then just come in and put, you know, verse, you know, however you wanted, verse 2, you know, back to hook number 2, verse 3, so on and so forth. But after you finish and you have all those highlighted with the gray, you go to File, Export Audio, All Scenes, and then whatever folder you're going to have it go to, you name that folder, you click that, and you specify what folder you want your track out to go to, and then you hit export, and then you're done. Leave your comments, questions, suggestions in the comment box. I'll get with you with another video later. Peace.